You see, like this is my bangs growing back from my hair loss during pregnancy. Like all this chunk was gone and it's starting to grow back. Anyway, at least it's growing back. I'm going to start with skin first. And I kind of wanted to, usually I remove my makeup before I do a video, but I thought maybe this time I could show you how I use one makeup and then I add something on top of it, and it feels like at least I don't have to completely change or remove, put some cream on, etc. This is something I don't like to do. I like to keep as much as I can myself from being like all like touching my face and being too aggressive with my face. So don't want to touch too much my skin or my eyes, so I'm gonna keep my makeup. Like I said, almost everything is gone on my face because I barely put anything this morning. But now, later in the day, I definitely want a little bit more on my skin. But always target the same area, so like under the eyes and around the lip. That's where I have the most pigmentation. So the key is like a good balance of having makeup, but not everywhere. And how do you make that work? Like real skin versus skin with makeup, how do they fuse together? So what I do is like focus on where I need to apply it, and then I stretch it out like this. So it's slowly disappearing into my skin.
That was a good look with the 2 stripes on your face while it's
That's like classic. Talking to the camera with like half of the face on and like concealer drawings. Okay, that's it. So I didn't put anything on my nose. I feel like it really creates this optical illusion that I don't have too much on my skin. And now I'm gonna have a bit of this pink blush. So I'm gonna do blue and nude. So when you have olive skin, definitely need some pink blush to balance it out, because otherwise it's gonna push the yellow tone and it could make you look a bit more tired. So see already how my skin complexion looks like alive again. So I'm gonna use my favorite highlighter ever, Bomb Shine, here. So I just applied really on the bone, and then I'm gonna like go more on the bumpy part of the apple of the cheeks, so it feels like a nice texture. When I did this product, I did it this size because I never understood why highlighter sticks needs to be so big. Like you don't need such a big highlighter. So I applied the highlighter and you see how natural it is, but when you're in the sunlight is really gonna hit the bone and it's gonna make the skin look so nice. So for makeup, if I have an eyeliner, how do I add makeup on without looking like too much? That's really always my thing. So I think I'm going to do blue on top. So I'm going to take Zero Paint here. And I'm actually going to recover my liner. I'm just going to recover with Zero Paint all over my lids, all over the eyeliner. But I'm going to keep it more, like less opaque on the outside corner. So I did a mess, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to correct. So by doing this, it's like I apply more texture in the center, and then I blend in and out without trying to make it all even on the eye. Okay, I'm going to reuse my fingers, even though it created a little bit of a mess, because it's still gonna make it for me more quick, more easy, more how I want it to look. And then I use these biodegradable wipes around my finger, and I'm just gonna erase wherever I applied too much, where I had an accident or something. So here it was the inner corner of my eyes, and now I'm gonna do on the outside. So you see just under the liner, I'm gonna clean it up. Voila. And then with a beauty blender, I can just go back here. So you see it's kind of like an ombre with a liner, but the liner is just showing on the outside. And it's still bringing some depth to my eyes. So it's kind of like a little different look. Okay, so we're gonna do the other eye. So you see I apply more here and then I stretch it out. I really want to stretch it out well, so I really pull far. And then I'm just gonna clean this. It's really not a problem. So now I'm gonna clean up this mess here. So it's super quick inside. Et voilà, and then up I go with my beauty blender. Perfect. Okay, and now I'm just gonna put mascara on. I had already some mascara, but I'm gonna put a bit more. And I'm gonna focus this time on the bottom lashes to give us something a little bit more retro, like this. Drama. I mean drama, but stay yourself. Drama without too much going on. And that's it. I'm gonna have a bit of lip balm. And then I'm gonna do my favorite thing, adding bobo milk, my hair and my face at the same time. One thing that I love to do with this product is that at the end of the day, I'm gonna brush my hair because it's a bit more flat, it's a bit less shiny, you know, like myself. And then I'm gonna brush my hair, and then it looks really matte and fluffy, like it looks weird. So then I spray all over bumbo milk, and then I just do a bit like this with my hand, and then it's like super nice again. Voilà. Ok, c'est tout. You like it, Kim?
I do. I don't think you can hear me, but I do.